Our portable compressors can be used by anyone who owns a car. Since it's recommended to check and maintain your tire pressure monthly, these compressors make it easy for you to do so. Maintaining proper tire pressure is important because it helps your tires last longer, it's better for gas mileage, and it makes for a smoother ride on the road. We recommend checking and inflating your tires before you start driving for the day when the tires are cold, since heat will cause the air to expand and increase pressure in the tires. Next is our 88P, larger and faster than the previous models. It's geared towards large trucks and SUVs with a max tire size of 33 inches. The compressor has a max working pressure of 120 psi at 1.47 CFM. It includes a 16-foot air hose and a 10-foot power cord. You can easily reach any tire you're trying to get to and get back on the road quickly. Now we'll get into how to use these compressors. First, remove the compressor from the carry bag and make sure the power button is in the off position. Connect to either a cigarette outlet or battery and make sure your engine's running. Connect to the tire's valve stem and turn the compressor on. You'll need to turn the compressor off to get an accurate PSI reading. Once finished, make sure the compressor is in the off position. Unhook or twist off the valve stem, remove the compressor from the power source, and put away in the carry bag for later use. Before you do that, make sure the compressor has enough time to cool off prior to putting it back into its storage bag. So whatever your tire fill needs are, Buyer's promise is to consistently deliver performance, reliability, and value.